coming to the 38th question. Obtain other zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x power 4 minus x cubed minus 11x squared plus 5x plus 5. To find the other polynomial to be divided, the roots are given as root 5 and minus root 5. Let us take that as q of x. So we know that to find a quadratic polynomial whose roots are given are x squared minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. So that gives you x squared minus 5. Now we are going to divide this polynomial p of x by q of x. 2x squared, 2x cubed, 2x power 4 minus x cubed minus 11x squared plus 5x plus 5 divided by x squared minus 5. So that gives you, let us first divide with 2x squared. So that gives you 2x power 4 minus 10x squared. Now change the symbols. That gives you minus x cubed minus x squared plus 5x. Next, let us take minus x. So that gives you minus x cubed minus 5x. Change the symbols. That gives you minus x squared plus 5. Put minus 1. That gives you minus x squared plus 5. Change the symbols. It becomes 0. So, the quotient is 2x squared minus x minus 1. On factorizing this, we get 2x squared minus 2x minus x minus 1. Or take 2 as a common factor for first two terms, minus 1 this is going to be plus x, so minus 1, so it's now going to be plus 1 there, so 2x here, so 2x into 2x plus 1 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. Or the roots are, when you take 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus half. And when x minus 1 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 1. Hence the roots are, already it is given as minus root 5 comma root 5 minus half and 1 are the roots. The OR question says, what minimum should be added to 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x plus 7 so that the resulting polynomial will be divisible by x squared minus 4x plus 8. So let us take it this way, 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x plus 7 plus ax plus b. Let us say this is going to be the minimum polynomial which needed to be added, which is divisible by the, because x squared minus 4x plus 8, so the polynomial to be added should be of a lesser degree, so it is ax plus b. So now let us divide that and see. So 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x plus 7 plus ax plus 3. Now let it be divided by, let us divide that by x squared minus 4x plus 8. So that would give you, first let us divide it by 2x. So that would give you 2x cubed minus 8x squared 8 2s are 16 plus 16x. Change the symbols. So 8 minus 3 is 5x squared. Before that, let us take this as, let us take the x as a common factor, so that it will become 6 plus a plus 7 plus b is now going to be the constant term. So now we are going to subtract 6 plus a and 16x, so that would give you 8 minus 3 is 5x squared. So this would give you plus x into a minus 10 plus 7 plus b. Now this can be divided by 5. So that would give you 5x squared plus 5 4s are 20x. So it's a minus. So minus 20x plus 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. So let us put the 40 here. Now change the symbols. So that will give you. So to get a 0, we need to get a 0 here and a 0 here. That means a minus 10 should be equal to, or a minus 10 plus 20 should be equal to 0. Or in other words, this implies a is equal to 20 minus 10 is 10. So this becomes a minus 10. Same way. Next is 7 plus b minus 40 is equal to 0, or this implies b is equal to 7. 40 minus 7 is minus 33, or when it comes here it is going to be 30. So the polynomial needed to be added is minus 10x plus 33, or 10x minus 33. Either. The 39th question says, in a cylindrical vessel of radius 10 centimeters containing some water, 9,000 small spherical balls are dropped which are completely immersed in water, which raises the water level. If each spherical ball is of radius 0.5 centimeters, then find the rise in the level of the water in the vessel. Okay. Now we know volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r squared h. And volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So there are 9,000 such spheres. So 9,000 into 4 by 3 pi into r cubed is 0.5, the whole cube. So that is immersed in the cylinder whose volume is pi into radius is 10 r squared. We don't know h, we need to calculate h. So pi and pi gets cancelled. So therefore h is equal to 9,000 into 4 into 0.5 the whole cube divided by 3 into 100, which is nothing but 15. So height is raised to, the rise in the level of water in the vessel is 15 centimeters. And finally, the last question. If the line is drawn parallel to the sides of one of the triangles to intersect the other two sides at distinct points, prove that the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay. So this is nothing but the basic proportionality theorem. So let us draw the triangle ABC. DE is parallel to ABC. So let us say this is A, B, C. Let DE be parallel to ABC. Now it is given DE is parallel to ABC and we need to prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Given this is to prove and it is given DE is parallel to BC. Now by construction, let us join BE and DC. Draw EQ parallel to AD, perpendicular to AD, and DP perpendicular to AE. So these are the two perpendiculars. Now coming to the proof. Consider the triangle AED. Now area of triangle AED is equal to half into AD into EQ. Same way, area of triangle DEB is equal to half into DB into EQ. So when you divide both these, you get half and half gets cancelled, EQ gets cancelled. So therefore, area of AED divided by area of triangle DEB is equal to AD by DB. Let us have this as 1. Now coming to the second part. Consider the triangle AED, area of AED is equal to half into AE into, when you consider the base AE, then DP is the altitude, so DP divided by area of triangle EDC is equal to half into EC into DP. DP is the altitude for this particular triangle. So half and half gets cancelled. DP gets cancelled. So you get that is equal to AE by EC. Now we can see that AED is area of triangle AED by area of triangle DEB is equal to AD by DB. Similarly, area of triangle AED by area of triangle EDC equal to AE by EC. So we can also see that area of DEB is equal to the area of EDC. Area of triangle DEB is equal to area of triangle EDC. This is because they lie on the same base DE and between same parallels DE parallel to BC. Hence, their areas are equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we get area of AED by area of DEB is equal to area of AED divided by area of EDC, which is nothing but AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Hence, we, the tutors of Class 6, are ready to provide you any time help for your homework and the JEE mains and the NEET exams. We also provide one-to-one coaching for all the subjects, for maths, chemistry, physics and biology from classes, for all classes. Thank you.